Our IRS 1984 batch reunion in the first week of August 2024 was a very special occasion for the whole batch. I am certain that I was not the only one hit with nostalgia after the reunion. 40 years is a long, long time, and yet it seemed like yesterday.
We are staying in Indrashala. This is the International Guest House. This is the NEDT mess. A total transformation since we left this place.
So many of us, all unknown to each other, all coming from different states and background of India, landed together in the same service by virtue of sheer serendipity. The tag of IRS 84 became our common denominator and Nagpur our new home. This is the C block. I used to stay in B block. Most of the girls were in the B block. How time flies. Almost 40 years now. That I'm talking about 1984 December, when we came here. The 1.5 years which we spent there with day-long classes followed by Pandit Ji's crisp pakoras and sugary tea. Those were lovely, pure, innocent times with no burden of expectations, full of fun, endless conversations and laughter, which went beyond midnight. Gradually, 84 batch effortlessly turned into the 84 family.
भोले सनम कहती है क्या नजरों की जुबान साथ हो तुम और मैं तो जवान.
The first three persons that I met was Sandhu, who is my dearest friend. He is in touch on a day-to-day basis with me. His name is Naez, and then Chauhan. You remember Chauhan? Yes. ये हम लोग निकल रहे थे डीसी के चेंबर से एंड चौहान से हम दोनों की ओर हमको और संजू को देखे. Hi folks, but I am very nostalgic of that moment. I still remember. So whenever I remember NADT, I cannot forget that moment.
You know, I salute this spirit.
बहुत मतलब चाह दिल से मैं मास्टर और आ गए. I am really happy.
We are also very happy.
मैं उसके घर नहीं जाता, वो मेरे घर नहीं आता, इन एहतियातों से लेकिन ताल्लुक मर नहीं जाता. बुरे हैं अच्छे हैं जैसे भी हैं, बुरे हैं अच्छे हैं जैसे भी हैं, सभी रिश्ते यहीं के हैं. बुरे हैं अच्छे हैं जैसे भी हैं, सभी रिश्ते यहीं के हैं. किसी को साथ दुनिया से कोई लेकर नहीं जाता.
हम कभी के देना आप साथ तो मर जाते हम कभी के पूरे हुए हैं आपसे अरमान जिंदगी के. हम जिंदगी को आप हम जिंदगी को आप हम जिंदगी को आप सौगात करेंगे उन दिन को अगर रात हो करेंगे जो तुमको हो पसंद वही बात करेंगे.
लग जा गले.
After training, we all embarked on life's journey, and then the roller coaster of life began. Challenging times with jobs, transfers, families, children, and the whole rigmarole weighing us down. 40 years went by without realizing how long was our journey. How do you feel coming back after 40 years?
We are extremely happy, very nostalgic about it.
Dr. Kakralia, how do you feel coming back after 40 years?
This is, as I have told many times, that this is the last opportunity to be with the
It is not last
batchmates.
opportunity.
It
It is the latest opportunity.
It is the greatest opportunity.
Latest.
Latest and the greatest.
I like the optimism given by SK, but I also feel this is our last reunion in NADT at least. How do you feel coming here after 40 years?
Very nostalgic, and company of the batchmates added to the pleasure of visiting here.
This is Lal Bungalow for exclusive
Gatherings of 15-20 people when somebody wants to throw a party. Nice, cozy, old world charm. From the door where it began, name of all the probationers of one batch. Excellent idea.
मैं हूँ दर्दिश से जान बलब मुझे जिंदगी की दुआ दे मेरे हमनफस मेरे दागे दिल से है रोशनी इस रोशनी से है जिंदगी मेरे दागे दिल से है रोशनी इसी रोशनी से है जिंदगी मुझे डर है ऐ मेरे चारगर मुझे डर है ऐ मेरे चारगर ये चिराग तो ही बुझा दे मेरे हमनफस मेरे हमनवा मुझे दोस्त बन
The 3 days spent together was beautiful time. If there is a simple theme or metaphor that captures the collective personality of the class of 84, it is our seamless connect, the ability to bind and bond. Reunions are meant to rekindle and renew relationships, but I guess one look at our WhatsApp chat shows that we are a forever connected group, living and laughing together on an everyday basis. This reunion in person was a grand affair. The transition from 1984 to 2024 was incredibly beautiful. Our grey hair, a silent testimony to a journey of 4 decades. I do hope we always keep connected, adding texture, flavor, and even meaning to each other's lives. एक पाकीज़ा ख्याल, एक खामोश रोशनी का कतरा, एक बेचैन दरिया की रवानी, एक जुनू का समंदर, उफनती रगों में बहता लावा, एक चांदनी सी चाह, एक ओस की बूंद रेत पर लिखकर चुपचाप मिटाया एक नाम, एक सदी से एक खास किताब में जतन से छुपाया एक सुर्ख गुलाब, एक कपड़ों की अलमारी की तहों में छुपाया जर्द पीला मुड़ा तुड़ा कागज़ और उस पर लिखा पैगाम। किसी जाने वाले का एक बार पीछे मुड़कर देखना, एक जोड़ी मुस्कुराती आँखों का सलाम, कहने के इंतज़ार में अटका एक अनकहा, एक लरजती आवाज़ जिसने कभी पुकारा नहीं, एक रात भर किसी की राह तकता जलता दिया, एक टीस, एक अनाम सा दर्द, इन्हें हम मोहब्बत कहते हैं।